Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, after hearing your feedback, we're walking through the steps it takes to expand your outreach by listing your RV on Craigslist. Before we begin, a couple of important notes. Make sure you've already created a Craigslist account, and when listing an RV on Craigslist, it'll charge you $5 for every post you make. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. Starting from the world map, select the city and state you're listing in. At the top left, select Create a Posting. It may ask you to specify your location, so select an option as necessary. If you're an individual, select For Sale by Owner. If you're a dealer, select For Sale by Dealer. For the category, scroll down to the RVs by Owner and select it. You'll finally reach a page asking you to fill out a variety of information. It is best to be as detailed and informative as possible, so try not to leave any option blank. For the title of your RV, be descriptive and specify in the title that you are renting your inventory. An example title would be 2020 Thor Synergy for Rent by Owner. Check website link in description. Now a viewer knows to follow your RVnGO.com URL link that you'll have in the description below. The description is key to your listing. While you may be using Craigslist for larger outreach, your post is merely an entryway for a guest to visit your RV page on RVnGO.com. So make sure in the description section you specify Find My Listing Here and place the URL link to your RVnGO.com listing page. For your safety and security, we also highly recommend placing in the description Contact through RVnGO.com listing. Using our platform to communicate with a guest ensures they have a verified account and valid driver's license before renting your RV. At the bottom, it gives you the option to list your contact methods. We highly recommend to not select phone number. Use only an email address. Once all of that is filled out, click Continue. Craigslist is going to ask for your location so it knows who to market to nearby. Select your general vicinity, then click Continue. Upload at least a photo or two of your vehicle. You can have up to 24, so feel free to get interior and exterior photos of your inventory. Lastly, you'll come across the Review Summary page. Here you'll see what your Craigslist post will look like to potential renters. If there are any changes you need to make, you can select Edit Post, Location, or Images here. After your post is submitted, it is only active for 30 days before it expires. When you're finished, click Publish at the bottom. And that's it! You successfully listed your RV on Craigslist. Keep an eye out for more videos regarding RV listings, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@rvngo.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.